Even though we're well into spring, cases of the flu are starting to tick up slightly in some spots around the nation. That's according to the CDC. And some local doctors say that now includes Birmingham. CBS 42's Laura Laughead looked into this and joins us in the newsroom. Laura, what'd you find out?
Hey there, Ben. You know, it's the virus where the first day you feel like you've been hit by a bus, and then the second day you wish you had been hit by a bus. The flu in any season is no fun, but the last few years, thanks to COVID protocols, we've had far fewer cases. We know it peaks in winter, but in a regular year, it's actually not unheard of for the winter flu to linger until spring. Just when you thought we were done with the dreaded triple-demic, some local medical experts are seeing a few cases of flu creeping back up.
We've had some people calling in and saying, you know, I just feel kind of achy and I've got headaches and I just don't feel well. And we swab them, and half the time it is flu and half the time it's COVID.
Dr. Colleen Donahue is the chief medical officer of Ascension Medical Group. She's seen a small spike in both flu and COVID in her patients over the last few weeks, but no RSV in a while. Even though not as common, flu cases this late are not surprising to her.
There are family gatherings, there are graduations, there's parties, you know, the weather's gotten nice, we're getting together with more people. So the more people you have around, the higher chances of getting sick with something.
Dr. Wes Stubblefield with the Alabama Department of Public Health confirms there are flu cases still circulating across the state, but he made it clear there hasn't been a major outbreak since January.
We'll continue to monitor on the public health side.
However, there is one small encouragement. The flu they're reporting right now is the influenza B strain, which is less severe than the influenza A strain we had in the fall.
In general, influenza A has worse symptoms as compared to influenza B. The types are just different types of virus, and the B types are generally milder illnesses, but both can cause severe disease. It's just more likely for A to do that.
According to the latest Alabama Weekly Influenza Report, 143 people have died of the flu here this season, 4 of them children. The doctors stress, though, it's not too late to get your flu shot, especially if you have an underlying condition like asthma, severe allergies, or you're a smoker. In the newsroom, Laura Laughead, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.